Today we're back at my sister's house for a fall glam dining tour, all for under $600. The master place settings were achieved using placemats, chargers, plates, and stemware from Home Goods. The paper doilies were from the Dollar Tree, and the silverware is from a local thrift store. Using sentimental objects to decorate your space makes a house a home. The bling letters are the actual cake toppers that were used when they said I do. I had a senior moment, friends. I had to backtrack. I almost forgot the napkin. These beautiful bling candle holders were taken up a notch simply by adding magnetized flowers that you can find at your local Hobby Lobby. Playing around with your decor pieces until it feels right can be so much fun. It is the joy of decorating. And friends, here for the drapery topper, we have used a table runner. It was the perfect color and matching tassels completed the look. At the guest settings, we've used Dollar Tree gold chargers as a nice complement to the silverware. By simply removing the hutch and adding this beautiful gold mirror, we've given a more modern look to the buffet area. The dining table and buffet hutch were $300 from an estate sale. At only $120 for all 6, the chairs were a steal from OfferUp. And our savings didn't stop there. This beautiful chandelier is another thrift store gem. At only $50, she couldn't pass it up. And friends, our purpose today was to show you that a mixture of old and new can give you a desired look at an affordable price. If the clocks pique your interest, please watch the clock collection video. If you've enjoyed the video today, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, as I always say, make the life that you live a life that you love. Life is so very short.